some at the junkyard looking for some parts, but unfortunately they have mixed everything up now. So you got cars here on the other side because they got rid of that double paying parking lot that they had that nobody ever went to. So this is the Sunland, but now you got to go by the what do you call it, the row number aisle, whatever they have. But it's like you got to go back and forth, kind of annoying. Didn't find the part I was looking for. Now I'm just looking at different cars, but the fact that they don't have imports in one side and American on the other, and like they used to have them, makes it pretty painful actually to be here because it takes you forever to go from one end to the other. And just to give you an idea, here's my small what do you call it, cart. So it's working out so far. At least it's not that dirty since it's the middle of the week. But yeah, finding the right car here, or at least one that has the part, it's not fun because you're just walking and walking, then you find it and parts are all broken or it's not there anymore. As you can see, it's just huge and you're all over the place. So I think they need to go back to the imports, American on one side, and then the other on the other side, and pickups on one side, because as you can see, they're all over the place. What a headache. Just a quick view on that.